Listen closely. I did not flip 500 to 10k because I'm special. I did it because I always show up. I show up when it's dark. I show up when it's confusing. I show up when I win. And I obviously show up when I lose. Michael PL speaking. And today I am gonna share with you the strategy that I used to flip 500 into 10k. Not to impress you, but to show you what's possible when discipline meets action. So before we dive in, please make sure that you like, you subscribe, and you turn on your notification, because what you're about to hear is not just a story. It's a blueprint to change the way you think, trade, and win. And remember this, the biggest risk in life is not losing, it's never trying. So if you are ready to take that first step, stay with me. I am back like I never left. So in today's video we are gonna be looking at NZD-JPY. Reason for this currency pair is because of this. Yes, I was able to successfully flip 500 to 10k in one go. So the way I was able to flip it, please, it is not a good way to flip it. Normally when you want to flip an account to a bigger account, you break it into pieces, but then I was willing to lose that 500. That's why I flipped it full margin. A risky way to trade. Please don't try that. So there's this myth, or you need indices to make a lot of money, which is false. You can also make a lot of money at the currency pair. You can always make money at the currency pair. The difference between the currency pair and also the indices is the momentum, meaning that the indices you were gonna flip if you are correct your direction you're in. It means it was gonna take you a shorter time to flip the account to 10k, unlike the currency. But then at the end of the day, what matters is the destination where you are, which is you being able to reach that 10k mark. I hope we're clear. And I would always say that you don't need a lot of money to make a decent money. This game, as long as you know what you're doing, you can flip almost any account. Yes, it's not easy to flip 500 to 1k. Same goes to 1k to 10k. It's not easy. So I will always advise people that if you want to learn this game, teach yourself to flip 100 rand to 1k. If you are consistent there, then 10k to 100k it will be much simpler. But then without any waste of time, let's get into it. So I am going to be utilizing all the information that I shared. Please make sure that you check out all my previous videos so that you can have an understanding that I will be talking about. NZD-JPY, we start on higher time frame. Why higher time frame? We want to know the bigger picture, the main direction. And lower time frame, it means we want what? The smaller picture, the entries. So we are on our monthly time frame, and we are gonna start off by highlighting our key level. I see this key level and also this key level. So I am not gonna highlight this one. Why? Because the price is here. You see, meaning that this one is our current and most relevant key level. If we are able to break this one, then that's where I can highlight this one. So I do not wanna make my chart messy or create the unnecessary key levels. I always try to be as simple as possible. So now remember that in my support and resistance video, I mentioned that the market moved from support to resistance, resistance to support, key level to another key level, key level to another key level. So we are from here, meaning that the market went to here. Then from here, the market is likely to go here. So we're having a 1, 2, triple top. Remember that I said that a key level is not just a thin line, it's a zone. Meaning that if I highlight my zone here, this high will tap my zone. And another thing that I want you to see is that the market left a gap here. You see? So the market moved from here to here, left a gap, then went down, came back up, cleared that gap, now it's going down. And another thing is that we are also having a gap here. I don't know if you can see it. We are also having a gap. We had a gap here. So we are also having another gap here. So the market repeats itself. What am I saying? I'm saying that the market is likely to do what? To go down and clear that gap. It's also possible. But then it's fine. We are from our ceiling, which is our resistance. So we are likely to go down to here. We are still on our monthly time frame. We are still looking for direction. Let's move to daily. So from daily, let me see. From daily, we start off again by highlighting our key levels. I see one of this key level here, and I also see this key level here. So from I created my playground. Now I see that the market, okay, so it went from here, it is likely to go to this key level. If it's here, it's likely to go to this key level. But then remember that I'm not saying that we cannot break it. We can break it. If we break it, we are looking for buys. We are going to look for entry opportunity, maybe retest, continuation correction. Then we go up with it. But then so far the market has been going down. It's when it created a downtrend. Go to my previous video of market structure. Yeah, I think that one you'll see how to spot the trend. So we broke this low, changing trend. That's why I'm saying that we are going down. So what I'm saying is that the market has been correcting. And another thing about correction is that we are not sure when it will end. The market can behave in this manner until it even reaches this point. So we are here now. So let me highlight this correction so that I can see how it is behaving. So I'm having this flow, and I'm also having this one. So the market is possible that the market can do what? Can behave in this manner. Went up, then go down. And another thing is that I see that a support and resistance get into zone, meaning that it's also possible that the market can do what? From this point, create let me see the thing. Who is it? It's fine. Let me use this one. It can come here, then create a continuation, reversal pattern, then fast. It's also possible. But then what we know is that if we break these key levels, this zone and also this one, we are looking for price. But then because we are below our key levels, it means that we are still looking for a sell. And remember that our bigger picture is telling us we had a changing trend, meaning that the market is likely to go down. We are still looking for direction. We are on our daily time frame. Okay, so let me go down. Not this one. Let me go to this one. So far I can see that the market has been doing nothing but going up. Created a running channel. So far it's going up. So far it has momentum to go up, meaning that it's also possible that the market might break and come back in and continue. Like what I mean is this: the market is likely to, it can go up, but then create a false breakout, come back, create this correction, then go down. So what are we looking for? We are going to be patient, and again we are going to be looking at when the market is coming in. We want to capitalize that opportunity whereby the market is coming in, not to worry it's going up and we want to catch a falling knife. No, we don't catch a falling knife. We don't do that. So if the market breaks these key levels, this zone, we are going to wait for it to come back in, create a retest or also a continuation pattern so that we can take that advantage. Or if it breaks and continue going up, we are going to be looking at, we want a continuation pattern so that we can go up with it. So another thing about this currency pair is that it's not perfect, and sometimes you are not going to get a perfect currency pair. Even the indices that you call, they're not perfect in many cases. So yeah, sometimes you have to trade when the market is not perfect. Okay, cool. So I can see that the market has been going up, created this continuation pattern, and now I can see that it's going up. So I'm gonna be patient on how it is behaving, approaching the zone here. If it behave in this manner here, do you see how it behaved here? It has a lot of momentum. So the market can do what? The market can, I will relax and wait for pullback. If it moves in this momentum, the market is possible that the market can keep on going up and pass that zone or also that key level. So we might wait. But then another thing is that you can take the advantage at up movement. You see that the market is going up, you can wait for any pattern that is going to shows that the market is going to continue going up, then you take it. But then the fact that the market is near this zone is not a good idea to go up with it. You just have to be patient. So each one, let me just go to M15. So M15, I'm here, and I can see that the market has been behaving in this manner. And it broke up. So it's possible that the market can continue going up, or it's also possible that the market can do what? It can go inside, created some sort of a double bottom, and then go up. It's also possible. Anything's possible in this thing. But then what will be required of us to do is to be patient. We have to be patient and follow where the market is going. So let me go on a higher time frame again. Let me see what is happening. Okay, so I can see that the market, let me put it here. So the market might be creating a momentum so that it can do what? It can go down. It might be creating a momentum so that it can go down. It's like what do you call that thing? That arrow, what I'll try to put it on this dead ends. It is going back so that it can have enough momentum to go further. It is possible that the market do what? Create this strong impulse here after here. But then what we do is that we are patient, we follow the market, and we understand that this one is not perfect. So for me, man, I will be looking for the continuation rather than the reversal. You see, meaning that here the market is going up. I don't think it is an ideal to say, oh, the market might go down, then we have fast lower. No, you just wait. Let's just wait. If you feel like you have enough money to risk, you can risk. You never know. But then it is very, very advisable and wise to just relax so that you can take downward opportunities. So this is it for today's video, and yeah, this information, this boring strategy is how I was able to flip 500 to 10k. So it's all about mindset, it's all about strategy, it's all about you knowing your craft. So yeah, until then, wait, let me see something. Okay, so yeah, everything is here, man. So this is a breakdown, and also this is just a further explanation on how I trade. So please make sure that you like and you subscribe and you turn on your notification so that you can be notified whenever I upload. And again, do not be pressurized to trading the currency pair. If you feel like the currency pairs, sorry, not the currency pairs, indices. If you feel like the indices, you are struggling, you are blowing accounts and they're not working, go down, man. Go to the currency pairs, man. You can learn a lot from this currency pairs, and they have money. And remember, working forex game of a long run. So meaning working, you can push now. What working, you are accumulating experience. You are working in the future. So my advice is, let's be patient. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep showing up. We lose, we show up. We win, we show up. We are confused, we show up. Until then, see you on my next video.